Now, if you are watching my videos, you probably already know we've been promoting Sitaw. It is a dropshipping company where you can actually earn money. Depende kung magkano yung gusto mong ipuhunan. But of course, right now, we've been receiving a lot of hate and doubts. But it's okay. If you have more questions around it, aside from watching all my videos, you can visit their headquarters and you can actually register right now. Sa website nila, it's sitaw.com. Sa pinakababa, click mo yung apply now and use the referral code MJ Lopez. Now, pwedeng sabihin ng marami, ay may referral code. Eh di wag mong gamitin yung referral code ko. Napakaraming influencers na nagpo-promote nito, you can actually use their referral code. It's up to you. But what I want is for you to actually earn money. So choice mo pa rin naman. Ang akin lang, kung busy ka, kung marami kang ginagawa, kung meron kang ekstrang pera, alam naman natin that when it comes to investment, especially real estate, ang laki ng kailangang puhunan. Sa pagnenegosyo, ang laki rin ng kailangang puhunan. Sa Sitaw, you can actually start really small. Be a seller now, start earning, and enjoy selling with Sitaw.